So I found this mod where apparently you can make anything rain. I can make anything in the spawn menu rain. Let's make an NPC. Let's do an alive villager, cause why not? Oh, that's a lot of villagers. That is a lot of villagers, guys. I have no idea how this works. I don't know how they make this. How do they make it randomized? So that they're all living too. How do I stop it from raining? Stop the rain. Okay, let's try something else. It's gonna fall on all of their heads. We're gonna do a tank. It's raining tanks from out of the sky. Tanks. It'll probably smash your head. You will definitely die. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. Okay, I think we've made it rain a lot.